How to reserve an item using Hawkesbury Library's online catalogue. First, go to Hawkesbury Library's online catalogue at aurora.hawkesbury.nsw.gov.au/library. In the search bar that appears, type in some details of the item you are looking for example, a movie title or an author's name. Click on the magnifying glass to begin your search. Your search results will appear on a new page. If your search brings up a large number of results, you can click here to see them all. Scroll down to see more results. Green text indicates that an item is available, while red text indicates that an item is on loan. Click on the title of the item you wish to reserve. In the next screen, click on the tab that says Reserve. You now need to enter your library card number or alias and your 4-digit PIN. Click on the Login button. Now you need to choose which library branch you'd like to collect your item from. Now click on the green thumbs up icon. Your reservation has now been placed successfully. You will be notified via email or letter, depending on the preference you have selected, once your reservation item is ready for collection. There is no fee for reserving items at Hawkesbury Library Service. Thank you. For further assistance, please call library staff on 4560 4460.